Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Siti Adila binti Maskur. My metric number is MPP 181175. My research title is Plickers, Affirmative Assessment Tools to Enhance Interactivity and Learning Effectiveness in Vocational Classroom. The key purpose of this study is to gain an understanding the benefits of implementing Plickers for vocational learning effectiveness in vocational classroom. Okay, this study is designed to obtain information about how teachers use Plickers as formative assessment tools on the vocational classroom interactivity and students' learning effectiveness. Okay, for the instrument construction for data collection, we can see that there are 7 processes for constructing instrument. The first process is reviewing the literature. Okay, from this, we should know what is our research objective, what is our research questions, okay, and then decide all the information that relate. Okay, for example, Plickers, interactivity, learning effectiveness, and teachers' perceptions. For the third process is identify respondents. Okay, we should know who is our respondent, and then construct questionnaire items for the questions. Okay, re-examination and revision of the questionnaire, pretest the questionnaire, and then editing the questionnaire and specifying procedure for the use. This is for pilot test and research respondent. And then there are 2 importance to validate instrument. First, to ensure that the instrument used is measuring what it is supposed to measure. And then to ensure the item used in the questionnaire can be understood and correctly interpreted by the intended respondent. The instrument construction, there are a few points that need to be considered while constructing questionnaire. The first is contents of questions. This is to determine vocational teachers' perceptions of using Plickers as a formative assessment tools, and then the effect of using Plickers as a formative assessment tools on the vocational classroom interactivity, and then the effect of using Plickers as a formative assessment tools on the vocational students' learning effectiveness. The second point is type of questions. Okay, first is to determine vocational teachers' perceptions. Okay, and to see the vocational classroom interactivity, and also want to see the effect, okay, of using Plickers as a formative assessment tools on vocational students' learning effectiveness. The next point is sequence of questions. Okay, for the opening question, influence, respondents, cooperation, and involvement. Okay, for the demographic questions that may embarrass or threaten respondents should be asked at the end of the questionnaire. Okay, the next point is questions, formulations, and their wording. Use simple language. Okay, we must use simple language to ensure the respondents can easily answer the questionnaire, okay, and understand. Avoid sensitive, embarrassing, or painful questions. This need to be highlighted, alright, when we run a questionnaire. And then the physical layout of the questionnaire. Okay, we must know that the questionnaire should be designed to appear as short as possible and should not appear overcrowded. Okay, this will confusing the respondent to answer all the question. And then leave lots of space for open-ended questions. Alright, for the next is design in booklet form for easier the respondent. This is because when we make the questionnaire in a booklet, okay, it can easier the respondents to answer, okay, to flip back, to see again the previous questions, alright. And for the conclusions, okay, Okay, a good questionnaire should be consist of clarity of language, singleness of objective, and correct grammar, spelling, and construction. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.